What is up, everybody? It's your homeboy CruzinMoto here. We're a little windy right now because I'm about to do the Top Gear 80 to 100 mile an hour challenge. We're in 6th gear. All right, ready, and 3, 2, 1, go! And there we go, 100, all right, woo! That was easy. Actually, that wasn't too bad getting from 80 to 100.
Round 2.
3, 2, 1, go! And that's 100, all right, yeah! Woo! So what I want to do is I want to challenge a bunch of you guys, all you other motovloggers out there that are buddies of mine that watch my channel on a regular basis. I want to challenge you all to do the Top Gear 80 to 100 miles an hour on your bikes. All right? So I'll be looking for them videos. Make sure you guys let me know when you do them. And let's see how fast your bike gets up there from 80 to 100. This is your boy CruzinMoto. As always, love, peace, and chicken grease.
Back from the dead.